I have a second channel, Cube Comp MTDX.
Hey everybody, here we have a Dell Inspiron 15 5000 series laptop that's in for service. Apparently either the owner or somebody the owner knows tried to work on this thing for some unknown reason. Don't know what the deal is with it. They think the motherboard's bad in this machine. And their buddy, which is one of my neighbors in this neighborhood, happened to grab it and say, "Hey Nick, can you look at it?" So that's about all I know with it. So we're going to have a look at this thing. And what's funny to note is half the freaking screws are missing out of the thing. So yeah, somebody's done been in this thing for who knows what. As mentioned, they think it's going to probably need a motherboard. The machine was manufactured in 2016. So it's not that old of a computer either. So the reason I'm going to go ahead and open this up is because I noticed earlier that the power jack is like not quite where it's supposed to be. I don't know if it's broken or if it's wasn't put back in properly or what, but I'm not going to start this thing until I'm a bit more sure. So yeah, it's already missing a crap ton of screws. That's wonderful. That popped right off like nothing. Let me see. Yeah, it had to have been broken already because I mean I actually did not put much of any pressure on it at all, and it just bam like that came right off. Usually it's just slide right out pretty easily. Feels like it wants to slide, but yeah, that's crazy. Yeah. So we have, oh wait, man, we have screws missing at the wazoo in this frickin' thing. Yeah, there's screws that were supposed to go in above the CD drive. Yeah, essentially somebody been in this thing and probably don't know what they're doing. Yeah, ain't the first time I had to clean up after somebody else's mess. We'll see how bad it gets. So I'm going to go ahead and try to get this thing open as is because apparently it ain't going to be real easy getting that CD drive out. Notice this whole thing is like flexing like crazy. Perhaps, yeah, the palm rest is trying to pop up now. Lots of nice bite marks on the side from a screwdriver. So at the same time, I'm just trying to figure out if this is one of those ones where the whole bottom comes off the machine. I'm thinking this might be that. Yeah, I think so. I think, anyway. Oh, goody. So this one's rather easy to get into, which is a good thing. So we have our LiPo lithium-ion battery, or lithium polymer battery here. Hard drive is right there. Yeah, I must say I like laptops that the whole bottom just pops right off and you have access to everything. I really wish they'd design more of them like this. But this is one of the modern generation laptops that of course you can't replace your CPU. That's soldered to the board. It looks like, can't say for sure. I'm just sniffing this thing to see if it smells like cigarette smoke because I'm seeing little bits of black stuff in here and I don't know. Oh yeah. Oh. Guys. Okay, this is... it don't smell real heavy of cigarette smoke, but if you look here, ugh, gross. You look down here and here, you got that infamous tar buildup that comes from cigarette smoke. So is this another computer that's been killed by cigarettes? I think possibly it is. Gross. Yeah. That is nasty. I mean, this stuff can get in and short out components in your computer, like the motherboard and things like that. Heck, it's even on the bottom of the hard drive. It is in lots of places that it shouldn't really be. I mean, it's up under this film that the hard drive is attached to. So, man. So the story I heard about this thing is supposedly John Doe, because I don't know the person's name. His laptop quits working. He gives it to his friend or somebody who works on computers, or suppose it works on computers, I don't know. And it sits for a year. And eventually it comes to me instead. So this thing, there's not much dust in this thing. I doubt this thing probably, it might have gotten a year of use. But man, I'm telling you guys, this is why you don't smoke. And if you do, you don't do it real heavy around your computer, because I'm looking at spots here on the DDR. This is a DDR4 system, by the way. I'm seeing spots on the DDR4 SODIMM slot that are a little suspicious. Okay, let's have a closer look here at this motherboard. You look right in here. You can see what looks to be possibly burn marks, like where we had a pretty nasty short. I mean, this is bad. I mean, look at this right there on this DDR4 SODIMM stick. You pull that out. Yeah, that is nasty. Look, just look at the mess. What's weird is how it's building up in certain spots, and only in certain spots. But the fact that, oh yeah, you can see it right there. It's like it's shorted. You can see the dark tar, and you can see spots where there's actually burn marks, or what looks to be burn marks. Yeah, I think that is actually shorted out. Oh man, are you serious? This would be oh yeah. Look at the other side of the of the memory. Right where my thumb is. Let me get in a little closer. On the corner there, look at that. Yeah, we've definitely got some damage there. So the memory looks to be damaged. The motherboard, the SODIMM slots have damage. Yeah, this motherboard's most likely trashed. I mean, I can slap this thing back together and see if it'll start, but I don't think it's gonna work too well. If you look here, there's more right there. I've done videos before of cigarette smoke damage to computers, but this one, This one's hit a new record for the newest computer I've seen trashed by cigarette smoke. Man, you know, this is a Core i5 system, so whoever bought this thing probably did spend a pretty good amount of money on the thing. Yeah. I mean, I'll pop this back in, but I don't think this thing's going to work. Obviously, they've already tried it, and, I mean, but, yeah, this is a new record for me. For the newest computer to have been damaged by cigarette smoke. I mean, it's just unreal. Oh, here we go. Pull this CD drive out. And there you have it. There's more of it right there. Jeez, guys. I tell you. I kind of lost for words. This is the newest computer I've seen. Newest computer I've got in that has been damaged by cigarette smoke. Yeah, this is pretty bad. Okay, I got the cord plugged in. Let's go ahead and plug in our AC adapter. Hopefully nothing crazy happens here. My adapter is actually not happy. This is my universal adapter, by the way, too. Let me unplug this. Oh, and now the light comes on. Apparently this thing is dead shorting the AC adapter. So, when the motherboard is shorting out the AC adapter, yeah, that's not a good thing. So we know this thing is practically just it's done. Man, oh man. I guess to wrap this up, I'm not gonna go too much further on this one video, but to wrap this up, let's have a look at the bottom of the case this thing went in. I mean, there's spots everywhere in here where this tar builds up, or it's built up, I should say. It's gross, I tell you. The reason why I'm at such a loss of words is because this is the newest computer I have seen damaged from cigarette smoke. It doesn't take much. Yeah, it doesn't take much to cause damage like this, and it's unfortunate. This was a relatively new computer. I mean, for crying out loud, it's a DDR4 system, and the data manufacturer, at least on the chassis, looks to be December 10th, 2016. I was already moved into this place here by that time. It's to get to put that perspective to my viewers who've been watching for some time. Man, this is the newest machine I've seen trash by cigarette smoke. Now it's likely, you know, we could replace this motherboard and RAM, and that should get it back up and running. But it's like, wow. You know, with these machines, with the CPU BGA soldered to the motherboard, it's, yeah. So sometimes you end up having to get a motherboard with a mismatched processor, one that's different from what it had. It could be a better processor, or it could be a crappier one. And also, you got to factor in the cost of replacing the RAM too, because this RAM module is done too. Yeah. yeah, guys, this is a new one for me. I guess if this video doesn't stress the importance of why smoking is bad, not only for you but for your computer, then I don't know what else would. Man, this is just crazy. So, anyways, don't want to drag this out too much longer, so I think I'm going to end this video.
Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.
Well, guys, that's it for this one. But it doesn't have to be. There's plenty more videos on the channel to check out. Also, if you liked the video, please click the like button. And if you absolutely hated it, there is the alternative button as well. But yeah, please subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate it. And remember to click the bell so that we get notified of all updates. Also, if you're interested in things aside from computers and technology, check out my second channel. It's CubeCompMTDX. Over there you'll find videos about weather, elevators, bicycling, and pretty much whatever else I figure out to upload. So yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for your support.